What is up, everybody, and welcome to another installment of Red Card Lucha's Away Day series, the show dedicated to you, the traveling sports fan. Today, I am in the fifth biggest city in the world and one of my favorite cities in the entire world, Ciudad de Mexico. Behind me, you have the Castillo de Chapultepec, otherwise known as the Castle of Chapultepec. Ton of history here, ton of great places to see, a lot of great food. Highly recommend you come check it out. Let's get to business. Today, I'm throwing a little curveball. We're not going into a soccer match. We're going to the Cathedral of Lucha Libre, CMLL Viernes Espectacular. We're going to check out Lucha Libre in the birthplace of Lucha Libre at the best arena for Lucha Libre, Arena Mexico. So join me, guys, as we get to Mexico City, as I give you all the tips and tricks that you need to get here to Arena Mexico and see Lucha Libre for yourself. All right, let's get it started. So we start off at Reforma 222. It's a shopping center in Mexico City. That's Reforma 222. And this is where you're going to go to pick up your tickets. Now, you can pick up tickets the day of the event at the box office, but I like getting the better seats. So what you do is you go to Ticketmaster.com, search CMLL, or search Arena Mexico and get the tickets that you want, specific seats on Ticketmaster. From there, you're going to go to this mix-up store in Reforma 222, and you're going to go to the Ticketmaster booth in the back. So back in the day, or just last year, you were able to get your tickets and just show your phone and they would scan them from your phone. They had a lot of issues, Ticketmaster did in Mexico specifically, so they changed the whole process. So to avoid any confusion, you buy your tickets, choose the Ticket Fast option, not the will call option, Ticket Fast, and you go to Reforma 222 and you go to the store mix-up and you pick up your tickets here in the back of this little booth. Just a quick little note, ticket prices can be as low as $2 all the way to the front row seats, which are $30. So very affordable. So now that we got the business out of the way, let's enjoy Mexico City, some of the sights, and more importantly, the amazing food. Wanted to take time to flex a shirt and also remind you to bring cash because the shopping is great and the shopping is affordable.
Sí, o sea, era como muy personal. Y ahí se va a entrar por
And we had to do a quick wardrobe change, need to wear the official CMLL t-shirt, and let's make our way to Arena Mexico to watch some Lucha Libre. We are en route to Arena Mexico to catch Viernes Espectacular. Before coming, I had dinner, but as you'll see soon, you really don't need to eat beforehand. You can come on an empty stomach. There's a market outside of the arena where you can buy tacos literally for like a few bucks. But even the concession stands inside of the arena are super cheap. They have hot dogs, tortas, which is like a Mexican sandwich, usually consists of ham, cabbage, cheese, on like a French bread roll. They have that, chips, popcorn, all in the arena, and it's all super affordable. So honestly, you can come on an empty stomach and feel well fed after the fact. Here we got Mystico's shop. You can meet him before or after. So this is probably the most popular taco spot here. Literally just get in line and get some tacos right before the event. This place gets really packed before the fight starts. And if you didn't get your tickets beforehand, this is the line to pick up your tickets. You can also go through will call, although I don't recommend it because it's not very orderly and you just feel safer knowing you'll have your tickets in your hand. So as I mentioned, you want to come here early just because you'll find shirts that you don't really find anywhere else, like this bad boy here. I paid $8 for this, so you really can't beat it. You want to come here early, shop as much as you can, and then afterwards, a lot of these luchadors come outside of the arena and they have their own little stand where they'll do meet and greets, autograph signings, take pictures with you. So you want to come early and you want to leave late. I'm gonna keep shopping. Ah, es usted. Ah, ¿cómo estás? Sí, sí, verdad, verdad. Gracias y espérame. Teneblas. Penta. Pentagon. So I got 2 mugs, a bunch of stickers for my collection, and $15. $50 for 2 mugs, Titan, Templario, and like 6 stickers. Facts. Only facts being spoken. Bought this bad boy. Ah, no necesito, está bien. Ya tenemos. Gracias.
Gracias.
Got this bad boy for 200 pesos. 200. Está bien, está bien. Está bien. They're super helpful. They're trying to get me a bag. Mystical mask for 200 pesos. These are really good quality. It's a semi-professional mask, so it's not the authentics. But they look really good. They fit great. And again, for 200 pesos, you can't beat it.
And I want to leave you with this helpful tip getting in. This is a security check to get in. They're aware that a lot of tourists come to these events, so for that reason, they're very relaxed on letting in bags, backpacks, etc. They also understand a lot of people do a lot of shopping in the market outside of the arena, so for that reason, they're very relaxed. So don't be afraid to bring in any bags or backpacks that you may have.
All right, so here's another tip for you. When you walk in, this is a concession line. This is a concession line, but you really don't need to stay here, as waiters and waitresses will come to your seat and provide you anything you need. So you can get anything you want now, but honestly, just go to your seat, get whatever you want with the waiters. Also, here is the shop where you can get CMLL official merch, t-shirts, masks, all that fun stuff. So another thing you'll notice, these guys with the blue shirts, they're basically runners. So with that being said, these gentlemen in the blue vest will come to you. They'll take you to your seat, but also expect a tip. It's not much at all, it's a few pesos, but have some extra change that you can tip them. They'll take you directly to your seat. Come in, tip them a few pesos, show them your ticket, they'll take you exactly where you need to be seated. Tourists here, you can bring your bags with all the goods that you bought outside. They're cool with you bringing in bags. They're going to check it, but you can definitely bring in your bags and your backpacks. And like I said, you don't have to go to the concession. The beer comes to you. So cheers. So one thing I like about the beers is that it's double serving with each beer. We probably paid 200 pesos for 2 beers, so 100 pesos a beer, it's $5 a beer, 2 beers in 1 cup, so you're looking at $2.50 per beer. So it's a bargain, especially for a live event. To wrap everything up, we got 2 t-shirts for $16, 2 mugs, some stickers, a poster for close to $5, and a bunch of other masks. These seats were $30 each. $2.50 beers, can't beat it. Despite it not being the most exciting card, it was still a great event. So all the guys that I was rooting for got the win. It was a great event. So that was Silverano Jr. He's actually headed to his truck right now. Hopefully we'll get some footage with him here in a bit. But it was a great event. Again, this is probably the least attractive card of the year so far, and it was still fun. A lot of foreigners, a lot of tourists here, but they look like they had a great time. So it's not the end of the video. Let's go meet some of these luchadors. ¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo estás? Bien. ¿Todo bien? ¿Todo bien? Sí, todo bien. Whenever you get out the arena, make sure to go to the main road because it's going to be hard for your Uber driver to get to you if you stay around the arena area. So just take a right, take another right. That takes you all the way to the main road near the arena. Easier for you to get to your Uber and easier for you to get home. Met some luchadors at the end, bought some merch. Again, come early, stay late. And just wanted to give you one last rundown on the prices so you can start planning for yourself. The poster on the top was about $5. The masks were about $10 each. The Soberano shirt was $10. The shirt below that was $8. The bottle of mezcal next to that by Fuego was $15. The mugs were $8 each. The stickers were about 50 cents each. And then, like I said, the seats were $30. Keep in mind, we sat in the premium section. You can get tickets for as low as $2. Very affordable. And the beers were $2.50 each. Very affordable. Go check it out. All right, Red Car Lucha. It's our last night in Mexico City. We actually only have a few hours left. I have the first flight tomorrow morning back to Texas. It's a 5 a.m. flight. So going to pack up and try to get a few hours of sleep in and then head home. But guys, I can't stress it enough. Come out, experience Mexico for yourself, experience Mexico City for yourself. I know back home, especially in the States, Mexico gets a bad rep, especially with what you hear in the news, with the drug violence, the drug wars, cartels, yada, yada, yada. Guys, just come experience it for yourself. It's a great time. The people are friendly, the people are warm, the food's amazing, it's very affordable. And of course, you got the Lucha Libre. It's the birthplace of Lucha Libre, so come experience it for yourself. I promise you will love it. At the end of the day, it is the 5th largest city in the world. So of course it's gonna have its dangerous spots like any other large city does, like New York does, like Chicago does, like even back home in Houston does. So, you know, just keep your wits about you. The popular areas in Mexico, Roma, Polanco, those places, you're completely safe. I can't stress it enough. Come to Mexico City, show it some love. You will love it. You will love the experience. You will love the food. You will love the culture. You will love the people. You'll love the history. It's one of my favorite places in the entire world. I love it out here. Can't wait to come back. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will have a lucky winner for the Lucha Libre mask. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching the latest installment of Red Card Lucha. And I had to say it. Viva Mexico.